What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video is going to be about pocket options, and I'm going to show you a feature that they have, which is the tournaments. Okay, guys? So if you come over here to the tournaments, we can see that you have the day of tournaments and we have the hour play. Okay, so the day of tournaments, they are free to join. Okay, so you can join when they are available, and it only happens once a day. Okay, but on the other hand, you know, when you join, you have like 4,000 or 5,000 players against you. Okay, so in order for you to make money, you have to score the top three places. Okay, first, second, and third. Right, so the money is the following. It's $100 for the first one, 75 for the second one, or 125 for the first one, 75 for the second one, and $50 for the third one, and that's it. Okay, and you will go from $100, and in order for you to score the first place, you'll have to make 15,000 plus tokens. Okay, whereas the hour play, it's a paid one, so let me click on this one because I'm going to join this one. It's a paid one, so you pay $1 for the participation fee, and the prize fund is $100. Okay, so if you come over, let me show you. Oh, it doesn't show you. Okay, so the first place you will get $30. Second place you get like $25. And the third place you get $20, something like that. Okay, guys, I will show you in a minute. And then all you gotta do is score the top 10 players. So the first place get $30, I think. The second place get 25, and the third one gets like 20 or something. So let me show you the past ones. So for example, this one right here that I've joined yesterday. Okay, so the first one, you will get $30, second place you get $20, and the third place you will get $15. And then from the 4th to the 10th, you will get $5. Okay, so the entry fee is $1, right? So if you score one of the 10 places, you are good to go. Okay, I realize that, you know, in average you will have to make at least 250 to 300 tokens. Okay, so that's my target for today. So make 3x of my investment, which is I'm gonna start with 100 coins. Okay, so if I make 300, I'll be able to secure my place on the first top 10 players. Okay, and then I'll be able to make at least $5. Okay, so let's go over to the tournaments, and so we're gonna join this one right here. Okay, as you can see right here, 49 participants against 5,000, right? So on the free one, but we're gonna go for this one. So we're gonna go ahead and confirm. We're gonna pay $1. All right, and we are good to go. So now click on continue, and we just wait for the tournament to start. One thing that I don't like is when you start the tournaments, okay, you will have to set up all your indicators. Okay, and yeah, it is sad, but it is what it is. And another thing that I realized, that I've joined a few hour tournaments before, but I never joined from the beginning. I always join when there's like 20 minutes, 30 minutes left, and realize that that's not enough time for me to, you know, try to multiply my initial balance. Okay, so I decided today that I'm going to start with when the tournament starts. Okay, so we'll have more time. So while you're here, I'm going to show you my setups. I'm going to show you what I do with my indicators and everything. So we're going to start with MACD. We're going to start with 3 super trends, zigzag, Keltner channel, and 2 moving average. Okay, so in total you should have 8, not 9, so something must be here. Here. Okay, so now I'm gonna set up my, oh, this one is good, so 10-1, that's my super trend number 1. This one I will make it 1x, 1px, MA, yeah. I'm just gonna change the color to blue, even purple. Okay, next one up, we got a super trend number 2, so 1, 1, 2. Even though nowadays I don't use the super trends no more, okay, I don't use as much. I still Okay, so this one you're gonna put it like this. So you're gonna pick this one. Yeah, and last one is the 100 EMA, and we're gonna make it white so we can know the trend direction. Okay, so there you have it. So let me put this out. Okay, so now we have our chart right here. So as you can see right here, when you start the tournament, everybody starts with 100 tokens, and you can do a rebuy. Okay, so I've never done a rebuy, or did I? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if you, when you do a rebuy, you will add another 100 on top of yours or not. I'm not sure because I haven't done it before. So I'm not gonna give you my opinion on that. Okay, so now we are going to look for our first trade. So as you can see right here, I'm going to invest 10% of my tokens, and let's see what's up, what's going to happen. So this one is a little bit choppy, right? But on the 30 seconds chart, seems like it's gonna go down again. So as you can see right here, it goes up and down, right? So we went up, as you can see right here, reached the peak, and now feels like it's gonna go down. And also on the MACD, seems like it's going to go down. Okay, so we're gonna wait for this candle to close, and if it closes, if this candle goes above, okay, so I'm gonna take a trade on this one. So hopefully there will be a continuation to the downside, right? And seems like on the next candle, the next candle will be below the purple EMA, okay, so which is the 10 EMA. So that's a good sign. That's a sign of trend reversal. Okay, so hopefully that will be the case. And also the candle, this candle right here, closed inside the Keltner channel. Okay, so that's another indication that the price will go at least to this side right here, hopefully. Okay, because sometimes it does not happen. Okay, so another indicator right here is the MACD. Okay, seems like we're gonna have crossover, hopefully. Yes, and hopefully this one is going to be a profitable trade, and we're going to add 5 tokens to our balance. Okay, so we got 35 seconds to go. So all is going as planned, right? 28 seconds. So again, guys, I'm not trading in OTC, so the price doesn't move as crazy as OTC, right? I mean, you know, I prefer it that way. So you earn less, like 50%, but on the other hand, it's less volatile, okay? But that doesn't mean sometimes you don't have like crazy spikes, because it does happen. So like now, I was about to win, and last second, it decided to change its mind, okay? So we lost the first one, so we're gonna go 25%, okay? So we're gonna try to recoup our losses. So let me have a quick look. Over here, but yeah, I still believe that it's going to go down. So probably if I had a little bit more time, I would be able to score on this one, but screw it. Okay, so as you can see right here, we got the crossover. Price is in two minds, is reacting with the 100 EMA, but again, I still believe that it's going to go down. But we're gonna flick through and let's see what's up. Let's look for the next one. Okay, this one is on the uptrend. Let's flick it to 2-minute chart and let's see how it looks like. Yeah, it's clearly on the uptrend on the 2-minute chart, but it's a bit choppy, so I'm gonna leave it alone for now. Let's look for another entry. Okay, this one is on the downside. This is OTC, right? Price dumped, pumped a little bit, and seems like it's gonna dump all the way here. So let's go over to 30 seconds and let's see what's up. Okay, so we're gonna take a position on this one right here, and we're gonna double up. So now we're just gonna wait, okay? So 1 minute and 29 seconds trade. Okay, so we got 1 minute and 10 seconds to go. Hopefully the price is going to continue to push down and we will be able to score on this one. Okay, so we're going to be able to recoup our loss from the first trade and ended up with some profits along the way. So I'm on position number 32. Okay, so we got 53 minutes to go. Okay, 45 seconds. Hopefully price will continue to push down and we'll be able to secure. But then again, this is OTC, anything can happen. Okay, but you know, I felt like this would be a good opportunity, so I decided to give it a go. So let's flick it to 2-minute price chart. And I do believe that it's going to come down to this level right here at least. Okay, so that's why I decided to take that entry. So we got 10 seconds to go. So if we score on this one, we're going to make 70 tokens. And boom, 116. So we are in profit. So let's go and look for our next trades. Okay, so this had a pump right here, reach the top, all the way down, reach the top, and seems like it's going to go down as well. We got a cross over here on the MACD, and we can see that the histogram is growing, so it's showing that a reverse. Okay, so looking over here, 30-second chart, you can see a different picture, right? So not much volume. But like the 2-minute chart showed us a reverse. Okay, so it reached the top right here, and now we had a crossover over here in MACD, and now it's going down. Okay, so as you can see right here, the candles are below the 10 EMA, and seems like it's gonna go down. So let's go back to 30 seconds. Yeah, histogram is growing. So let's see if we can find a better entry position. Oh, I forgot to flick it to 10. God damn it. Ooh. I just realized now I forgot to change it to 10 because we made profits. So when I make profits, I flick it back to 10%. Okay, so then if I lose on the 10%, I'll go back to 25, etc. Okay, so I'm probably gonna roll over on this one because I still believe that the price is gonna continue to go down. Okay, but and again, it's 25% in here. So damn it, screwed up on this one. But never mind. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so we got 40 seconds to go. Yeah, screw up on this one. So I'm on position number 22 right now. Have a look over here. 19 seconds. Definitely not going to score on this one. Yeah, that's a loss. Okay, let's look for the next one. Crossover on Instagram on the MACD. We haven't had a crossover here in the MACD, but this is a bit choppy and it's on the uptrend, so I might leave it alone. price reacted to the 100 EMA, and seems like it's going to go up now. But I believe it's going to go sideways a little bit because you can see the 10 EMA is still up here. Okay, so it's still showing us a downtrend. So most likely it's going to go sideways for a bit. Okay, it's touching the 10 EMA now. There you go. So let's have a look at the 2-minute chart. Yeah, seems like the trend is reversing. Most likely it's going to come all the way here to 245. So let's go back to 10, 20 seconds, 30 seconds. 245 is about, up here. Okay. But then again, I feel like I already missed this ride. Okay. I'm in two minds. We're gonna have a cross over here in the MACD. At the same time, the histogram is losing momentum. Okay, the bars are getting smaller, so that's a sign that buyers are losing power. But it's still pumping. It's still pumping. We can see that we're gonna have a crossover. So this one, I'm gonna give it. Let's see if it goes back a little bit. So we can plot the score on this one. There. So we are all in on this one 100%. So we're about to see, hopefully, the crossover. So when the crossover happens, usually that's a good sign, showing a bullish momentum. Okay, so hopefully we had a small pullback over here, and now we're gonna go back up. Right, so let's wait and see what happens. So 1 minute and 17 seconds. That's why I decided to give a little bit more time, because the price is not moving much. So hopefully this is gonna be a win, and we're gonna make some profits on this ride. But seems like I was wrong. 55 seconds, almost had a crossover, but now he's going down. Jeez. Let me see what's up over here. Over here showing still green. Yeah, still green. So everything indicates that the price will have a continuation to the upside. But it seems like I'm not gonna catch it. Okay, 25 seconds to go. Seems like the next candle is going to be a green one. There you go. It's going to be a very close call if I win this one. And most likely I need a little bit more time to score on this one. So 5 seconds. Jeez. And I'm out. Boom. Okay guys, I'm gonna do a rebuy. I don't wanna give up yet, okay? So let's go ahead and do this rebuy, and let's see what's up, okay? Let's see what's up, and let's try to see if we can get our funds back, okay? So we're gonna go 100%. We're gonna go 100%. This trade right here is on a downtrend. Okay, pumped back. So as you can see, the price is reacting to the 100 EMA. Okay, almost touched the 100 EMA, and now the price is in two minds about going down. Okay, I really believe on this one that it's gonna go down. If we flick to our price chart, we can see that still on the downtrend. Pumped, dumped, pumped, dumped, pumped, and now it seems like we are on the dumped. Okay, we can see that the price is about to cross the 10 EMA. So we're gonna take our trade over here. Damn, it happens all the time. God damn it. So every time that I take a trade, a few seconds later, 2-3 seconds later, the price goes up. Every time. I was like, damn, what's going on? Oh man, this sucks. This sucks. But yeah, let's see what happens on this one. So if you lose this one, I'm out. I'm not gonna do any more rebuy. So I will have to go to my trading and you know, try to recoup those $2 that I just lost. Okay, potentially lost this second dollar. Okay, so we got 1 minute to go. Right, so we're still not lost. All right, I still believe the price is gonna keep going down. But I was like, damn, a few seconds later, boom, price spiked up. All right, what the hell is going on? Right, so it's always the same thing. So it seems like we got screwed over on this one. So sometimes it's best to wait a little longer, but you know, we never know, right? So I didn't know the price would go up. And, yeah, there you go. So it seems like this one is going to be a loss. Yeah, it's only 2 seconds. Out of this tournament again. So we're going to go back to trading. We're going to continue to do the trading. So let's try to make our balance 170. Okay, let's look for some trades. Try to recruit some funds. Yeah, so far so good. As you can see right here, price came down, reacted to this area, went up, came down, went up, came down, etc. Now it's reacting to this area, so hopefully from here, price will go up and we will be able to catch this rise, okay? But if not, we're just gonna flick through and for another position. Yeah, seems like it's gonna continue to go down a little bit more. So we're gonna leave it alone. Okay, GBP, US dollar, it's pumping. Still in a downtrend though. So I'm gonna leave it alone. Yeah, I feel like this one, we got a crossover MACD, but at the same time, buyers are getting exhausted. So this might be a good opportunity, but this is OTC and it's only paying 42%, right? Which so I'm not willing to download it. So today's trading is the day number 18. I got mixed up with yesterday or the day before saying it was day 15, but it was day 17. Yeah, 17. So today's day 18. Okay, seems like we got something here. Let's take a trade over here. Over on the MACD, and also this candle right here open above the 10 EMA, so that's a good sign, and also it's closing the super trend. Okay, that's another good sign that you're gonna have a higher super trend right there, and as you can see, it's there. Okay, so if you win this one, we're gonna make 104. Okay, so we potentially recoup the first dollar that we lost in the first tournament. Okay, then from there we're gonna try to recoup another dollar, you know, just to at least break even from those two entry fee that we paid for the tournament. Okay, so we got 35 seconds to go. Price is really pumping hard. Okay, buyers seem like they are in control. We got a beautiful crossover right there. Histogram is looking good as well. Next candle seems to be a red one, or maybe a very weak candle. There you go, a red one. Okay, we got 10 seconds to go. Might have some pushback a little bit, but hopefully it's gonna stay there so we can score this one. All right. We got our first dollar back, so let's flick through and let's look for our next trade. So this one, the downtrend already happened, so we're not even gonna touch it. This one is pumping hard, so let's see what's up. Chart is very choppy, so leave it alone. Don't even bother. Let's see this one right here. Yeah, too choppy. Even though it's pumping, I'm not gonna touch it because anything can happen. Ooh, look at this one. One single candle, jeez. Yeah, really pushing it up. Have a look at 2-minute chart. Yeah, price is a bit, it's really going up, but the chart is too choppy, so anything can happen, anything goes. So I'm not gonna touch it, I'm gonna leave it. This one is also pumping. It might be a good trade though. You can see the histogram. It might be most likely going to see a crossover like we saw over here. But I'm going to skip it. And I feel like I'm a bit late for the party. So let's flick through. So yeah guys, this video is going to be uncut, you know, so you can have a better idea how I go through my trades. Yes, as you can see right here, you reached this top over the Keltner channel, went down, reached the top, went down, so hopefully that's going to be the same thing. And it's also reacting to this 100 EMA, right? So if it breaks above, the next candle opens above, most likely it's going to be the continuation to the upside. So if that's the case, that will show us a bullish momentum, and we might take a trade on this one. So if the price stays around here, the next candle is going to be green. Okay, that's a bullish sign. Yeah, but at the same time, seems like buyers are losing steam, so I'm gonna leave it. Too choppy. Still on a downtrend. Over here. Leave it alone. In case of doubt, don't touch it. Oh, this one is still pumping. Yeah. That would be a nice ride, catching it from here. Gee, not a single movement over here, so weak volume, so avoid that. But at the same time, feels like buyers are stepping in and price will go down. Yeah, you reach the top of the Kaplan channel, and from here usually what happens is price goes down. Okay, but it's not always the case, and also can see that it's on the downtrend because it's below the 100 EMA. Okay, this one might be a good trade, but it might take some time. So let's keep it. Okay. What's going on here? So pumped, done pumped, done pumped, done. Let's have a quick look at the 2-minute chart. Yeah, downtrend is confirmed. So we might have something here. We're about to see the cross. Oh damn. Woo! Jeez. Whoa. Right. Too late now. The dump is already finished. Damn. Whoa. Too damn late. Right, let's look for another one. Damn it. This one is also dumping, so it seems like the arrow is dumping. Damn, that was too fast. Didn't have chance to react. So leave it alone, don't touch it. Clearly in a downtrend, so leave it alone. Nah. Okay. No, let's go back up. GBP. The way the chart looks. Okay, this one is a clear downtrend. Over here is pumping a little bit, like over here. So yeah, I feel like this one is going to be a good trade. So you pumped, dumped, or it could be just a pullback. The price reacted to the 100 EMA, right? So I'm not going to rush into this one until I see a crossover and a few red candles, because could be just this, okay? A little pullback and then go back up again. A little pullback and then go back up again. Let's do the 5-minute chart. You can see that we had a dump on the 5 minutes and now it's slowly going back up, okay? So I feel like that's going to be the case, because we can see the crossover is about to happen on the MACD, okay? So this one we're gonna go in, we have to go in to higher up. But even though the histogram is showing, MACD is showing us reds to go down, I believe this is just a pullback, and then from here we're gonna go up, alright? But most likely I'm not gonna touch it because I don't wanna get burned. Okay, let's move to the next one. Yeah, this video is gonna be a long one, but hopefully you'll be able to see how I trade, how I look for trades, opportunities, etc. Okay, this one, the chart is too choppy. I don't like it. This one already happened. Chart is too choppy. Already happened. We are a little bit too late on this one. The way the chart looks. Okay, so we might have something here. Let's have a look at the next one. Yeah, we might have something here. It might go down a little bit. So let's wait for the pull up a little bit more. I'm going to take a trade on this one. I would like to get a better entry. It's not happening. It's not happening. It's gonna keep going down. We haven't seen the crossover here. Sometimes MACD is a bit slow to react. So I have my other indicators give me a signal to enter. So I decided to go because if the price continues to go down and we see the continuation over here, you know, by the time we have the crossover, it might be a little bit too late to enter. That's why I took the risk and decided to enter before but I was happy with the candles. Okay, this one right here, it's inside the Kelvin channel, right? So this one right here, you can see that the 10 EMA is crossing over. And this candle right here, we can see that the 10 EMA is above this candle right here, but this one right here is about to do the opposite. Okay, so if we lose this trade, we're gonna go 2.5%. Seems like this candle. This trade is going to be against us. He's not doing what we wanted to, and MACD was right, so we didn't see a crossover because crossover is not going to happen. Okay, so that one is a loss. So let's look for another one. So now the next one we're going to start with 2.5%. So 2.5%, so we can recoup our 1% that we lost, okay, and make some profits on the way. Okay, so now we're just gonna scroll through and see what's up. So we got a crossover here in the MACD. We have a 2-minute chart. Okay, yeah, this might be a good one. Even though it's pumping over here. But you know what? I'm going to leave this one alone. Where is it? Right here. Okay, seems like this one wants to push up. 2 minutes. Okay, it picked, but even though it's on a downtrend, this is going to be a risky trade if we take this one. But everything is showing that it's going to be a good one. But like people say, don't trade against the trend. The trend is down, so it would be a risky one if I take this one. It would be a risky one if I take it. But it seems like we're going to have a crossover. Yeah, the lines are touching it, but at the same time, it is losing the steam. Looks like it. And if I think I'm gonna go down, I was thinking to go up on this one, but I think I'm gonna go down, and we might see a lower low because we are downtrend. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go down. Gonna wait for the next candle. So just gonna wait for the candle to close below the 10 EMA. Right, so if that happens, I'm going to take a short position or a lower position in this case. So just waiting and see. Yeah, the next one's definitely going to be red, okay, and it's going to be below the 10 EMA. So now it's just a time of looking for better entry, okay? So just try to time it up, okay? I was initially thinking to go up, okay, but you know, it seems like the trend is reversing and decided to go down. So hopefully I will be right, okay, and I will be able to secure this trade. So we got 1 minute and 10 seconds to go. Let's hope that this candle or the next candle will try to break this all-time low, local low, okay. So if that's the case, we're going to be able to secure this trade. So if you win this one, we're going to make profits of 2.71, okay. So we lost probably, how much? We lost 161. So total profit is going to be 110. Okay. So 161, 271 minus 161, 110. Okay. So we recoup our previous loss and made some profits. Okay. So that's how I'll play, and then from there I will go back to 1%. Yeah, as you can see right here, it just did a new lower low. Okay, so downtrend is continuing. We got 7 seconds to go. Seems like this trade is going to be a profitable one. And boom, we got it. So we just recouped our $2 lost on the tournament. Okay, so let's go for another one. This one already happened. And also the chart looks very messy, so I'm not going to mess with it. So this one is going up, even though mark this showing as a crossover. I don't think the crossover is going to happen. Yeah, we might see a pullback over here. So yeah, let's leave it alone. Move on to the next one. This one is not very much. This one is a bit too choppy, so I'm gonna leave it alone. Okay, this one is trying to go up. Let's go 2 minutes. But nah, it's clearly showing a downtrend. Yeah, it might go all the way down to here, 164,687, because it failed to stop over here on this one. Well, it's actually there, right? So if it continues to go down, yeah, most likely it's gonna have a continuation to the downside. So flicking back to the 30-second chart, okay, You can see the price is ranging, but at the same time I feel like the price will go down, will continue to go down. Okay, we can see that the 10 EMA is right in between those candles right here. So hopefully this candle will stay below the 10 EMA, and the next one will have a gap between the candle and the 10 EMA. So that's a sign that the trend is reversing and is about to go down. Okay, so let's have a look and see. So yeah, at the moment it's just ranging, not much is happening, so we're just waiting for the right moment to take a trade. So yeah, as you can see right here, it's ranging, still going down though, lower. Yeah, still doing lows, but even though over here is not breaking the local low, still ranging. And I'm not gonna mess with this one, I'm gonna leave it alone. Let's look at another one. So now you understand why when you take tournaments you have to enter when they started, because sometimes you spend a lot of time just analyzing charts, researching, looking for entries, okay? Because you don't find entries all the time straight away. Sometimes you just you gotta wait a few minutes for the trades to appear, to start occurring, okay? So here, so we might see a slight pullback on this one. 17 seconds, so next one is gonna be green as well. Yeah, even though I'm tempted to go high on this one, I might just leave it alone, because Instagram is not showing much volume. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna keep it. Let's look for another opportunity. Okay, this one already started, but at the same time I don't feel I'm late. I'm late to the party, even though it's showing the uptrend. He's doing a slight pullback. Yeah, it's clearly on the uptrend. So never mind. No, thank you. Okay, this one's on the downtrend, but seems like he's recovering because he's doing higher lows. High, and probably this one is going to be the third higher high. Okay, and also the Instagram showing green. So let's go over to 30 seconds, and we're going to take our trade. So let's hope for a slight pullback on the price, if that happens. Seems like I'm missing out. Price keeps going up and I didn't take any trade. Okay. Just 2 minutes. Yeah, seems like it's gonna meet the 100 EMA. Price is right where we started. Seems like we're having a slight pullback. Hopefully price won't go down as much, and from here we're gonna see a continuation to the upside, but seems like it's not gonna happen. So 2.5 ready. Got 40 seconds to go, plenty of time. So when you trade with non-OTC pairs, make sure you give yourself plenty of time for the trade, because sometimes you need more than 1 minute. Okay, so in this case I'm trading with 133. Okay, so let's see what happens. 20 seconds to go. Seems seems like buyers are losing the steam. We got the red color right there, and it's not moving, it's not doing much. So it seems like this one is not going to be profitable, or maybe I'm wrong. So we got 8 seconds to go. And boom, we just secured that trade again. Okay. So let's go for the next one. And then again, we flick back to 1%. Another trade. Damn, this video feel like it's gonna be an hour long, an hour and a half long. Right, so this one is clearly on a downtrend. So flicking to 5-minute chart, we can see that it's clearly on a downtrend. Right? So it's just doing lower lows, and if that continues, that's gonna be an opportunity for us to take a lower position. So back to 30 seconds. So as you can see right here, we can see a pattern. It dumps, pumped a little bit, pumps, dumps, pump, dumps, pump, dumps, pump, and hopefully from here we'll dump again, because we can see a lower low, a higher low, or lower low, lower high, again mixed up. And from here, price will lose momentum and go down. But again, it's a risky trade because price could go either way, right? Even though it's on a downtrend, price could just break out, right? So it's always a risky trade. So I'm just gonna give you a few more seconds to see what happens. Seems like it's gonna reverse. 2 minutes seems like it's gonna pump a little bit. 30 seconds, yeah, it's pumping, but I don't think it's gonna go much higher than this. So I'm gonna leave it alone. Let's look for another one. It's not already started, so don't touch it. Down here we only got this one, so let's go back to the top. Let's see if we can find a new trade. I would like to show you, to try to reach my 5% daily, but I feel like it's going to take me some time to get there, because the charts didn't look really healthy today. Okay, this one is meeting our criteria. Okay, so hopefully this candle right here will close. But at the same time, looking at the chart, you can see that at a pullback pump, this might be a pullback again, and from here continue to go up. Right, so we gotta zoom out a little bit. Okay, we can see that on the 2-minute price chart, we can see that the price is going up. Right, so it's pulling back, but it's going up. Okay, now in 5 minutes, you can see the price is insane. Let's go. But yeah, I still believe that this could be a good opportunity because we're still on a downtrend. Price tried to break above the 100 EMA. We got a green light right here from the super trend, red light I mean. And we're about to see the crossover. But you know, by the time we are realizing all this, it's too late, right? So we're gonna move on. This one we are late for the party, I guess. GBP. Let's see how far this one can go. This one's clearly on an uptrend, and you know the pullbacks, they're not very strong, so just a slight pullback and go back up. Right, so we're not gonna do anything with it. Okay, this one's clearly breaking below the 100 EMA. Let me just put this in charge. Boom. Okay, so I feel like this one is going to be a good one. Take a look at the 2-minute chart. Yes. price is reacting to these 100 EMA. So I don't want to rush into this one. Okay. What's gonna happen? Are we gonna have a crossover or a continuation to the downside? All right, the price is not the best. The chart is not the best chart. It's choppy as hell. Let's see what happens. Seems like it's gonna go up. Seems like we're not gonna have the continuation to the downside. It was just a slight pullback. What was it? Price is definitely reacting to these 100 EMA. But yeah, I'm in doubts in this one, about this one, so most likely I'm going to leave it alone, because even if it goes up, it might go up all the way here, which is not much, right? And we got bullish candles right there, okay, showing the bullish momentum. Yeah, sometimes it happens. Sometimes, you know, when we spend too much time analyzing, you know, we already missed our trade. But, you know, better missing the trade than losing the funds, right? Clearly on the uptrend, a strong uptrend, but even though over here on the MACD is showing us a downtrend, right? Over here is on the uptrend, over here is on the downtrend. So there is a diversion here. So usually that's a sign that the trend is reversing and we are about to see a downtrend. On a 5-minute chart, MACD looks completely different. But at the same time, buyers are losing speed. Minutes, you can see a reverse on the trend. Okay, we're about to see the crossover. So I feel like this one is going to be a good one, but it's pumping on the 20 to 30 seconds. Over here on the 2-minute chart, we can see that the price is about to cross over. Right? Probably going to see a pullback. So on this one right here, take a trade on this one because everything shows that it's going to continue to go down. At the same time, price is going up and we are trading with 20 to 33 seconds. So we gotta wait and see. Okay. Let's see what happens. Yeah, seems like pullback is about to happen. Yeah, this chart is a bit crazy. It is a bit crazy. I really want to take a trade on this one, but I'm like, this chart looks too crazy. I'm really tempted to take a trade on this one. I think I'm going to take a trade on this one. So I'm going to add a little bit more time. So I'm going to give it 2 minutes. Let's see if the price goes up a little bit. There we go. So we are in. It's do it. So let's see what happens. So gave plenty of time, 2 minutes and 25 seconds, because the price is just too crazy. But even though it's a bit crazy, I decided to go. Because in 2 minutes, it shows that it's going down, 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 and hopefully we can see the crossover happening on MACD. But at the same time, buyers are pushing the price up. So this might be just a slight pullback, and then from there go up. 5 minute charts again, another slight pullback, go back up. So if that's the case, we're gonna get our 2.5 ready. So we can take the trades. Go for 1 minute, 33 seconds. Yeah, this price, this chart is crazy. And yeah, I don't feel like it's gonna go lower than this. We got 1 minute and 15 seconds. This one was actually the last one that opened below 10 years. All the rest of it have opened above. So that's a sign that the price is about to go up. Got 25 seconds to go. There you go, guys. So there you have it. Sometimes, when you are in too much about trades, just don't pay. Because if you're not 100% sure, just don't pay. I decided to gamble because I was like, man, I'm a stubborn guy. So I was like, let me try. At least I tried, and nothing happened. Sometimes you just gotta fight it. Go with the gut. See what happens. So we're looking at 2 minutes. So he's doing lower lows. Okay, clearly on the downtrend. So hopefully this one will give you inspiration to local low. Okay. Let's see what's gonna happen with this one. So price really below the 10 EMA, which is a good sign, but sellers seems like they are losing momentum and buyers are selling again. As you can see right there, there's some bigger candles that they had over here, but at the same time, it is going down, and we're going to take see how we missed that one? Man. Yeah, it's too late now. It's too late. It's just too late. Get it. Sometimes when we hesitate too much, that's when you're gonna say right here. When we hesitate too much, that's when we lose the chance to score. Okay, this one is clearly on a downtrend. So let's see if I can double up on this one. And I think we'll get no need for that. Yeah, it's clearly on the downtrend. I should have rolled over on this. I should have rolled over on this one, because I feel like I'm gonna need a little bit more time. 45 seconds. And seems like the price is reversing. 35 seconds. Yes, seems like the price is reacting to the 100 EMA and feels like it's gonna go up. God damn it. 20 seconds. Yeah. Come on, keep pushing down, down, down. 10 seconds. Oh, a little bit more, a little bit more. Come on, keep pushing. Keep pushing. 3 seconds. Whoa. That was crazy. What happened here? So we didn't lose. We didn't lose because we ended up where we started. Okay, so 4-4. So we didn't lose on that one. So let's go back to 2.5. Damn, that was a crazy one. That was a crazy one. Price is reacting. Okay, price is reacting. So feels like it's gonna go up now. So I'm gonna take a position on this one. So I'm probably gonna give it 44. A little bit more time. I'm gonna take an entry. So hopefully that was the right entry. Yeah, feels like price is reacting, it's gonna go up. So 1 minute and 30 seconds. Let's see what happens on this one. Ooh, this one is crazy. It's really reacting to this level. I'm in 2 months to roll over on this one, but at the same time, the price is just too volatile over here. So probably not gonna gamble on it. And feels like it's gonna continue to go down. Take a low position now. "45 seconds. Yeah, price is reacting too much on this level. Ooh, if I win this one, it's gonna be a close call. So let's see what happens. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. Euro GBP. 15 seconds. Keep pushing. Come on, keep pushing, buyers. Let's go. One last push. That's it. Come on, leave it there for now. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, sir. We got that one. Okay, let's go back to 1%. God damn it. And he's finally pumping. Jeez. All this suffer for nothing. Jeez. Okay, let's keep going. This is all OTC right now, so let's go back to the top of the list. Woo! Some crazy trades today. No wonder I lost those tournaments. Some really crazy trades. So leave it alone. Okay. We missed our pump. Okay, let's go back to 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes, you know, it's been lower highs, lower lows. So this would be a risky trade. So leave it alone. Okay. This is the one we were messing with on GBP Euro. Okay. Yes. Price again. Crossover. Slight pullback. Seems like the next candle is going to be a green one. Let's go back to 30 seconds. See the MACD most likely going to have a crossover. Okay, you can see the crossover happening right there, right? But at the same time, the chart looks very choppy. Okay, and we miss our opportunity right here. Okay, now, even though we missed that one, you look over here, you know. Reach over here, pull back, reach, pull back, reach, pull back, and where we are now, right there. Okay, so leave it alone. Let's move on to the next one, real quick. Let's do a 2-minute price chart. Okay, clearly on a downtrend, and 10 EMA is about to cross the 100 EMA. Even though MACD is showing a crossover, you know, usually when this happens, you know, there is continuation to the downside. If you come over here, we can see that we had a crossover. The same happens to the upside. When you have a crossover, it goes up a little bit. Okay. So let's have a quick view at the 5-minute price chart. Yeah, it's dumping, so most likely it's going to go to the 100 EMA for 30 seconds. Okay, it's going down. It's going down, and feel like I already missed my shots. If it pulls back a little bit more, we're going to go in and try to secure this trade. Let's hope it goes back. Here we can see the crossover right there. Ah, damn it. Okay, we took the trade there, so we're going to take double up. So double up is you betting the same amount that you bet on the first trade, but you know, in my case, the better position. So the first trade was over here, and then the second one, because the price pulled back a little bit, you know, I decided to double up. So that means everything stays the same, but a better position. Okay. So usually I only double up when I, you know, believe that the price is gonna go my way. If I'm in two minds, I don't double up. I just let it go. Okay. So in this case, on the double up, you either double your funds, so or you just lose double your funds. Okay. So in this case, 166, we will have 0.90 on one trade and 0.88 on the other one for some reason. And if we score this one, it's going to be about 1.78. So let's see what happens. 20 seconds to go. Hopefully it's going to be a profitable one because we doubled up on this one. And I really don't like to lose on double ups. Because if you lose on double up, you have to double up on the next one and try to catch up, you see? So, or you go, instead of 2.5%, you go 2.5% or you go 6%. Okay, we secure that one. See the box, 167. So let's have a look at another entry. So we just need 2.66 to close the day. And secure the 5%. I think it's 170. I'm not really sure, but usually it's about 8 to 10 bucks per day with my balance right now. Okay. So the chart looks a bit choppy. Okay, I don't like the way the chart looks, but you know, everything shows that the price is going to have a continuation to the downside. It's going to have a slight pullback. Over here, we can see the price is going up. Okay, it's doing the higher highs and higher lows as well. 5 minutes, you can see the price is going up. Ooh. So it might go up all the way to here or even here. Okay. So let's go back to 30 seconds. So yeah, I feel like the price is going to have a continuation to the upside. Start trading. So start trading at, it doesn't show the time. Oh, 12:50. 12:50. So it's 14:12. And I need to wrap up because I've been trading for too long, and trading for too long is not good. Right. So I'm just gonna take one last trade, and yeah. So hopefully on that last trade, I'll be able to secure that trade and call it a day. Okay. Pumps, and now it's gonna go down, hopefully. And it does that's the case, we're going to secure this one. GBP card. Okay. Let's have a look. So this is going to be my final trade. So yeah, if this one does what I'm thinking, yeah, it's pulling up, but it's going to go down and it's going to break this local low. If that's the case, we are going to be able to secure this trade because I'm thinking to go low. 5 minutes looks like it's going up, but it's most likely it's going to go down because it pumped, dumped, down. But at the same time, price is way down here. Okay. So we'll see. Let's see what happens. Seems like price is not going to go down. Still pumping a little bit more. Gonna save this one. Let's look for another one. But it's on the uptrend, so taking a short position would be risky. So maybe just a slight pullback, so never mind. Never mind. So you got a pullback, dump. I feel like we are already late for this one. So we might see a pull down, down over here. Yeah, I feel like I'm too late to the party right now. So leave it alone. Leave it alone. Okay, MACD is weird, right? So it's clearly showing the downtrend, and over here is on the uptrend. Okay. So who to trust? That's the question. This looks like that one that we took the trade, the gamble trade. Okay, we got a crossover right there, but not much is happening. Okay, so eventually it might go down, but right now not much is happening, so I'm not gonna gamble again, okay, because I want this to be my last trade and do well on the last trade, so I'm not gonna gamble. This one hit the bottom and most likely it's gonna reverse. Okay, MACD is showing a reverse over here, so lines are crossing, so most likely this is gonna be our trade. Let me have a look at 2-minute chart. Okay, yes. So pumped, dumped, pumped, dumped, pumped, dumped, and pump again. Okay, but again, MACD is showing a downtrend. So let's have a look at 5-minute. Yeah, right. So this might be the one. This might be the one. It's going to be a risky one though. It's going to be a risky one. So let's have a look what's happening. Let me save this one. Let's have a look at this one. Not much is happening. Yeah. I strongly believe that this one is going to have a continuation to the upside. In the meantime, let's have a look around. Let's see what's up. That one is saved, so we're going to get back to it in a few seconds. Just scrolling and see if we can find a better opportunity. So yeah, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to watch this video for 1 hour and 20 minutes, but hey ho, now you know how I trade. So you can see there a pattern here, so it's doing lower highs and lower lows, and feels like this one is going to break the next lower low, the previous lower low, I mean. Okay, so we might be able to take a trade on this one. We got a crossover right there on the MACD over here, but at the same time, you know, it reached the previous, or one of the previous lower lows. Okay, so from here the price might reverse. Okay, so I feel like I'm a bit late for the party. Okay, so this one is reacting, so we're gonna take a trade. We took the trade, and again I feel like I took the trade too early. But screw it, if I lose this one, at least we're gonna be in profit, $5. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to reach my target, but at least we made some bucks. We recoup our losses from the previous tournaments. But yeah, feels like it's gonna continue to go down. Right at the same moment that I took the trade, that the trade decided to go down. God damn it! Why all this happens? I don't know. But yeah, it sucks when it happens. So yeah, it's definitely not going to be a profitable one, but I'm going to call it a day. I'm going to leave the 1% as it is. So next time I'm going to start with 2.5% to recoup the previous 1%. Well, actually no, because today I'm going to wrap it up. So tomorrow, when I come back to the trading, I will then start with 1%. But yeah, it wasn't bad at all. Okay, so I made $5. I haven't achieved my goal, but let me see. Calculator. So we start with 160 times 5%. So I'm supposed to make 160 times 5%. So I'm supposed to make $8, okay? So $8, I made $5. So that leads us to probably 4%. 160 times 4%. 64. Yeah, so I would say 4.5. So 160 times 4.5%. Yeah, 4%. I would say, let's call it 4%. Okay, so we didn't make 5%, but we made 4%. Okay, so not bad at all. Okay, sorry about the long video, guys, but at least now you know how I do my trading and how I try to achieve the 5% daily. Okay, so even though today I haven't reached the 5%, I managed to make 4%. So stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.